Yeah. Let's see. I believe so. We should be good. Yeah, we'll get it closer. We'll be sure. Yeah, we'll be just inside.
Just inside?
Just inside.
Whew. That's close.
Oh, you're good. Yeah. If you see something you don't like, just say something.
You want it off the dollies?
Yeah, we'll take it off the dollies once I get once we're perfect, essentially. Oh, of course not. That'd be too easy. That'd be too easy. We can take the dollies off. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't matter. All right, let me, if you don't mind.
You can do it.
All right. We got you. All right. Huh? Got it. Got it. Well, we'll go nice and easy, though. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm doing. We might have some over here. Okay, if we want to use those little wood slats, kind of the same idea. Yeah, just because that little lip might fight us. And I don't want it to force that dolly out from under. But I mean, we're looking fantastic.
It's hard to tell where it's centered.
I mean, as long as, honestly, as long as we can just get it on the bed, we're good. Yeah, no, it's because that front side's pretty centered.
Yeah.
I think honestly, yeah, just a couple slats and then that cardboard should be perfect. All right. Okay. Ready? One more. All right. Perfect. Yeah, no, that's... So then I have, so at this point, I'll just have you guide me on where it's okay to strap and where it's not.
That's way easier than the last time.
Having a winch makes a big difference.
Yeah.
And then the correct load angle is always fantastic. So this
Okay.
little hook, just going through there
That's good for me.
and then coming down.
Yes, sir. That's good.
All right. And then you just tell me how much is okay.
Can I just do it?
Yeah, absolutely. That would make me a lot happier if you, because you're gonna know what kind of pressure.
That's good.
Perfect.
Tight but not too tight. You can go soft stuff on here.
Uh-huh.
That's a fair anchor point.
I'm gonna go these over the wheels because
Over the
that's
wheels.
what they're made for.
Okay.
And then I might do a couple on top, but yeah. So you said we can do something soft over this?
Yeah. You can do something soft. The closer you are over that,
Uh-huh.
that's the better.
The ideal? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think if I have anything thin enough.
I don't even need it with these guys.
Yeah, I know. I feel like I'm pretty happy with what we have. I think we'll just do one more over the rear.
I think that's probably fine.
All right. Yeah, we might want a little more now that it's changed that angle,
Yeah.
but I'll let you do that. Cool. And then you're good if we go across that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
What kind of strap is that?
No, it won't be those. I'm gonna use different strap. We'll start with one of these and see how we like it. Are you able to like take this
Yep.
across? We'll go over. Yeah, possible. And then yeah, it'll just be going in the same spot on the other side right here. Fantastic, thank you.
Hook in like this.
Yeah, it'll just hook in, yep. Yeah.
It's looking good.
Okay.
Yeah, not too tight. Well, you can go tighter than that.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. I mean, I'm pretty happy.
You're happy, I'm happy.
Yeah, I feel pretty confident about what we got set up.
Okay.
I
will.
I just don't know that it's gonna have the ability to go realistically anywhere. So.
Got the brakes on the big. Okay, last thing is we'll get a sheet laid down.
Okay, and then put
some boards down.
Yeah.
Put that thing in. Can't strap it super tight, but we can get it like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all I care about, is it not going anywhere.